Welcome to another episode from Tony. Today's topic is all about creating a wonderful life. Are you tired of living a mundane and boring life? Do you feel like you're stuck in a rut and not sure how to break free? Well, you're in luck because today I'm here to tell you that it's possible to create a life that you love. So what kind of person are you? Are you ready to say yes to a good life, yes to your health, and yes to making a difference in the world? Let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about saying yes to a good life. Too often we get stuck in our routines and forget that life is meant to be enjoyed. We become so focused on work, bills, and responsibilities that we forget to have fun and experience new things. But here's the thing, life is short, and we should make the most of it. So say yes to that vacation you've been dreaming of. Say yes to that hobby you've always wanted to try, and say yes to spending time with loved ones. Don't let fear or excuses hold you back from living a good life. Next, let's talk about saying yes to your health. Your health is the foundation of everything else in your life. Without good health, it's hard to enjoy anything else. So make it a priority to take care of yourself. That means eating healthy, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and taking time to relax and de-stress. Don't neglect your physical and mental well-being. Remember, when you take care of yourself, you're better equipped to take care of others and pursue your goals. Lastly, let's talk about making a difference. We all want to feel like we're making a positive impact on the world. Whether it's through volunteering, donating to charity, or simply being kind to others, we can all do something to make the world a better place. Don't underestimate the power of small actions. They can have a ripple effect and inspire others to do the same. So ask yourself, what can I do today to make a difference? So there you have it, folks. It's possible to create a wonderful life. All it takes is saying yes to a good life, yes to your health, and yes to making a difference. Don't let fear or excuses hold you back. You have the power to create the life you want. Thank you for tuning in to the Tony's Motivational episodes. Stay tuned for more on how to live your best life.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.